Hello, this is Billy. On this video, I'm gonna cook some cattail on fire. This fire, it's a fire pit with rock around, and you can bring the embers towards the cooking section where I'm gonna cook the cattail. And this is a very great setup for cooking on fire. As you can see, guys, I've got my tripod. I've done a lot of cooking here, and I really enjoy myself here at the Moose Camp. Yeah, you look, I'm just right here. Isn't it beautiful? The sun, it's just great. So I just got my cattails in the wild. Very easy to remove. I just pull it with a gentle twist on the right, and hop! This is the best time of the year. Gonna remove the green. It's not too good. It doesn't taste good at all. I've got my little shovel, and this one too. Got it from my sponsor, Princess Soto. Very good hook to work on my fire. I love it. There we go. A little bit of butter. And now take a cattail. Oh, ho, ho. I love the sound of it. We got here some goat cheese. Just cover the whole thing just to make sure the cheese will melt, and the fire needs to be very low. Underneath there is a little bit of embers, but not too much. I just want to eat. It's very low cooking. I love to be very close to the fire. Ah, so warm. So peaceful also. I'm sure everyone, you too, you love to be in front of a fire pit, isn't it? Just write me a comment down below if you do. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Looking good! Woo! Oh man, it looks good! Oh! Mmm! Oh! This is very good! Mmm! I love to eat with my fingers in the woods. I don't know. It's like going back in time, I guess. But I love it. Mmm. I love it. I love cooking outside. Woo! Well, everyone, just to tell you, the next 2 months, I will be out filming for a film TV series as a consultant, so I will be away. I won't be able to make video, but just stay tuned. I will post another video in August. So thanks a lot for watching. It's much appreciated. See you later for another video. Live your passion, live the adventure as always. See you next time. Bye bye.